What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you how to hook up an aftermarket USB power accessory so you can charge your phone or whatever. And I'm also gonna show you how to wire for a heated gear. Okay, first off, you're gonna take this plastic piece off, pop it out, and then it slides to the back. And then we need to take out 5 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and another one up here, 5. So we'll take those off so we can run the wires up, connect the battery, run it up and over. Of course, we have to take the seat off. One here, and then you have to take off one side for the strap. I took it off completely. I put the bolts back in. So you have 2 bolts, just take off one side, take off the seat on both. So you have to take all this shit off too. Hold on. 1 bolt on the top, 1 bolt down here. Pull to the back. Teeth and the seat. Okay, all the bolts off, pick it up, pull it back, nice and easy. Had to do all that, so you take this little bolt off. Okay, finally came off. Got the battery exposed. Red power, positive, black's negative. We have this one in all black. That's for the heated vest. And then this is the USB here. Same connectors. Positive and positive. Negative. The negative. I'm gonna put that right here. So I wrapped it around, pushed it through, pushed it all the way up to avoid it getting hot from the engine. I got all this slack. Tuck that in right by the gas tank. That's for the heated vest, the heated gear. USB charger. Connects right here so you don't lose power. The wires are tucked up away, nothing's touching the engine. It's clean. Everything's put together. USB chargers right here. I tested it, everything works. Here's the wire for the heated gear. I'll just keep that on during the winter. Zip tied it. Let's tuck it in right here. I'll take it off in the summer when I'm not using it, or I'll tuck it underneath the plastic. But for now, it's fine having that. So it looks all put together, ready to go ride finally.